Okay, so now we're into the modification part of the task. And with the experience that you have by now, you should know about filleting and chamfering. They're probably the main two that I've used in the past. But I'm going to go to fillet, and as you get a bit quicker, you will start to notice that you have some shortcut keys, shortcut buttons, but you can also use shortcut keys like F for fillet. So I'm going to press F for fillet. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to do this one here. And this one here. And I'm going to just pull them down, sort of freehand, to see how far I can go down. So let's say 32 mil. Let's have a look at that one from the side and from the front. And if you're happy with that, then you can do maybe the base ones as well. So I'm going to press F for fillet again. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to select one, zoom out, tilt my viewing cube, and I'm going to select the second one. Okay, so if we have a look at the shin guard again, it is starting to take shape. But if we ever felt that we needed to modify the form, we can right-click and edit the form here. So it will take you back into the original area where we were modifying the form in the first place. So what I would do next is I would just let go of that, and I would want to maybe create some kind of pattern cut through. Now I would go to create sketch, and because this is a curved surface, I'm going to create a sketch just on the front work plane. And it's up to you really what kind of pattern that you draw, but it's worth saying that if you did draw a circle, for example, and you wanted multiple circles, you could go to create rectangular pattern, and you could choose your circle, and then you could drag across as many as you want and drag down as many as you want as well. Now I'm not going to use that pattern, so I'm just going to delete this one. I'm going to go into here where I've already pre-made a line drawing, and I'm going to copy that line drawing. I'm going to come back out. I'm going to paste it into here. I'm going to bring it down to where I want it. I think I'm going to start around here. But I'm also going to just flip the view to the side, and I'm going to bring the design out ever so slightly. I could, if I want to, tilt the design as well. So if we remember, it was by 7 degrees, and I could bring it a bit closer to our model. Now I've got a pattern here which I actually want to repeat a little bit. So I'm going to just make sure that I'm in the drawing and the drawing is active. I'm going to copy and paste drawing, or I'm going to double click on each shape. Make sure you get to a space where it turns the line blue. I'm going to copy paste it, bring it down, and I'm actually going to try and overlap it neatly here. Now again, this is one of those tasks where for accuracy you want to take your time. But once you have done one repeat pattern, you can select all of it, and obviously it halves the time for the next one. going to repeat that one just as a drop to the drawing. And I'm going to go back in, pan up a little. And then place my drawing here. And again, if I could keep repeating this all the way down the shin pad, so I could take a lot longer over it. But what I would then do is I would finish my sketch. And when I come to extruding, I might turn off the view of the leg. So I can go into the sort of browser tree here, and I can turn off the leg view. And because I've pressed E for extrusion already, or clicked on create and extrude, I can select all of the triangles which I'm intending on cutting through. Now, once you've selected all the surfaces that you're going to cut through, you can drag the cut so that it goes right through the shin guard like that.